Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about if fingerprint lock is not working in POCO C61, how you can fix it. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings. Then you have to simply swipe down. Here it is security and privacy. You have to click on it. Here it is device unlock. Click on fingerprint unlock and you can see here it is. Click on fingerprint. If your fingerprint is added, you have to delete it first and then you have to just simply touch the sensor like this. You can see friends, you have to do it again if your sensor is not recognizing your finger. And you can see fingerprint is now added. You can see friends, and and here it is on. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.